Good morning. Real quick, I want to show you something. So, I wanted to make another bird feeder, and I found these little 1x1 picture frame thingies in the craft section at Walmart, and they cost about $4 each, and I got one down there. These are 2 pieces of scrap wood that I had. And we're going to take a couple of nice little meaty nails, wood screws. They're 2 1/4 inches. I'm going to sink them, and I'm making my own bird feeder. So the bottom is going to be this, and this one I'm going to put on this angle here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these suet baskets that you can get at Walmart for $1.60 each, and get some little packages of different kinds of suet that will fit in those little cages. Then I'm going to secure it on the top post over there for my bird feeder. 2 screws, and we're going to have a bird feeder. Cost me all of $10. Thanks for watching. There we go, people. Couple of screws, and there's my bird feeder. Real simple. Has a top, a tray, 2 support beams, and I've got 2 trays of suet. I got a peanut butter, and I have a wild berry suet. All for $10. That's it, guys. Have a great day.